This 2009 Keystone Cougar 293 SAB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 33 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 11 and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, mid-bath. The unloaded weight of this 2009 Keystone Cougar 293 SAB is 9,553 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.